10 most effective topical anti-hair loss lotions. So once we know that we are having a problem of hair loss, we are seeing hairs coming out in the shower, on the pillow, in the comb, in the hairbrush, we reach out to people, to internet, and we try to find out anything which can help us. The most important thing which comes to mind is either a shampoo or a lotion which we can put and we can be helped up. So let us discuss today 10 most important anti-hair loss lotions. So I divided this discussion into two types of lotions. One is according to the modern medicine, which we get as the allopathic medicine solutions, lotions to apply on the scalp. And the second part I wanted to dedicate to the age-old Ayurvedic tradition, the plant-based traditional medicine of our country. So these 5 kinds of such lotions we'll be discussing after we discuss the modern medicine lotions. So without wasting any time, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm American board certified hair transplant surgeon. You can subscribe this channel for more such educational and informative videos as well as testimonials of patients who have undergone hair transplants and other hair loss treatments at our center. So while discussing the modern medicine lotions, let us discuss from most effective to less effective. The most effective lotion which helps in decreasing hair loss, especially the male and female pattern hair loss, is minoxidil in women and men, and a combination of minoxidil and finasteride in men. What minoxidil does, how it acts. It is known to improve vascularity of hair roots. How? By opening the potassium channels in the arterioles and thus improving the blood supply of the scalp. Thus, minoxidil, when applied 1 ml per day on the scalp, morning and evening by men and once a day only by women, is known to better their hair loss problem up to the maximum extent. Now, when finasteride is combined with it, which has been started only recently, a few years have passed though, it is shown that after 2 years, the effect of finasteride, which is applied locally, which is topically with minoxidil, is same as finasteride which is taken orally. Having said that, local application of minoxidil and finasteride helps in bypassing most of the side effects of finasteride which are there when a patient takes it orally. Now, taking into account the most talked about 3 components which people proclaim to have immense growth potential, which is Procapil, Redensil and Capexil. Speaking of Capexil, it has power of fighting DHT. So it improves hair growth and it decreases hair loss. Now, Procapil. Procapil also promotes hair growth and improves scalp health also. So both the ways it helps in decreasing hair loss and promotes hair growth and strength of hair. Now talking about Redensil. Redensil grows dormant hair follicles, improves hair density and decreases hair loss. But then there can be a little side effects to them. We have to find out whether you are allergic to it or not. Also, there could be little itchiness, flakiness, dryness on the scalp. If it is so, you have to talk to your doctor. Now, people have also tried to form a combination of these 3, Redensil, Procapil and Capexil, and they have added minoxidil to it and then applied to the scalp. But then there was a discussion in one of our forums that will it not decrease the potential of minoxidil? I think the answer to this is that we apply minoxidil as per dosage schedule of minoxidil, and we can apply a combination of these other 3 or one of them as you wish to on any other time. That ways we'll have the best of all. The 5th component which I want to talk about here is ketoconazole. Ketoconazole is not only helpful in decreasing dandruff, taking care of the fungus on the scalp in 1% or 2% solution, but it also helps in decreasing hair loss by helping against the immunity on the scalp. So that is why in the 3 big B's of hair loss, we talk about minoxidil, finasteride and ketoconazole. Having said this, please press the like button, and now we'll go to the Ayurvedic components of lotions which are required by you for hair loss therapy. So coming to the traditional medicine ingredients, let us consider Bhringraj first. Bhringraj is a common herb which is found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and यहाँ पर ये बहुत सारे different ailments के लिए बहुत समय से use किया जाता रहा है. Later on, there was a study published in 2016 जिसमें mouse के dorsal surface पे they showed that the effect of Bhringraj on a few mice and minoxidil on few others, and there was a control group also. तो देखा गया कि minoxidil Lateral and Bringraj both increased hair growth in mice as compared to the control group. So Bringraj has been known to improve human hair also traditionally, and thus it is a common ingredient in lotions which are applied on the scalp. It not only stimulates hair growth, but it also helps in nourishment of hair and improves the texture and diameter of hair. Another component is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has now been known by Westerners also of so much importance in hair too. The lotion form of ashwagandha can be used. Ashwagandha has been known to decrease the effect of cortisol or stress hormone on the hair root in the dermal papilla. Also, there is an amino acid in ashwagandha known by the name of tyrosine, which helps in melanin formation. So it helps in premature graying of hair also. Thus, it is a common beneficial ingredient in anti-hair loss lotions. Thirdly, we come to essential oils. Now, what is an essential oil? Essential oil means that the natural plant-based sources, when oils are extracted out of it, either by distillation method or by cold pressing, we get pure extract of those plants, either seeds or leaves. Like we can have rosemary essential oil, lavender, castor, sesame, so many of them. They are used very liberally on the scalp. They not only help in improving circulation of the scalp, but they also have many antimicrobial, antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and they help in minor ailments of the scalp, and they improve the health of the scalp and help in scalp microbiome too. Almond oil is known to have omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants and vitamins. If you want to ask anything till now, you can write down in the comment section below. We'll be answering it as soon as possible. Coming to abundant ingredients in our kitchen. Amla and curry leaves. Amla is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, and along with curry leaves, when mixed and put in the hair oil as a lotion, they have antioxidant nature, antimicrobial properties also, and you can have thicker and fuller hair with them. Also, fenugreek and caffeine. Fenugreek enhances blood circulation. It decreases the thinning of hair, improves hair thickness, and decreases hair fall. By the way, it increases keratin production also. Caffeine is known to be helping as DHT blocker. There was a study in 2007 which showed that caffeine was helpful in this way. Good news is that caffeine also speeds up hair growth cycle, and it helps in elongation of hair shaft. Now, these things can be used as hair masks also, along with lotions or hair oils. If you want to know about side effects of finasteride, which we discussed as first lotion to be applied in men, you can click on the iCard above. If someone in your family or friends is searching for a good anti-hair loss lotion, do share this video with him or her. And if you want to have a consultation with us regarding your hair loss, your hair transplant, your hair loss treatment, please call on the numbers below so that we can help you. If you want to see a hair transplant patient case study, a patient of ours, please click the video on the left. And if you want to know grade of your hair loss, please click the video on the right. Thank you.